for any state, any country to move forward, you need investment from outside. That is what growth is. Investment happens, growth happens when investment takes place. So therefore, we have to get investments. So that's how things move forward. So many questions were raised about, companies like Shree Cement coming in. So Shree Cement today is the second largest cement company in the country. They're the second largest in the country. And they're a very known organization throughout the world, and especially in the eastern region. So a company of that stature today is wanting to come in and invest in our state. I think, sir, it's a great plus for us that we should look at the aspects of all the different aspects and ensure that we get investments like these that are coming in. Now, obviously, sir, when this happens, there are concerns. It does not mean that we are going to bulldoze any concern. It does not mean that we are going to not follow any rules or regulations. We must follow all the rules. We must follow all the regulations, sir. And just to share with the House, sir, that we have also decided that since the concerns are there, we have put up a fact-finding committee to look into all the concerns that are there, that are raised in this in regards to the public hearing of the Shree Cement. And we will ensure that we go into all the different aspects and concerns that are being raised by the people. The intention of our government is to bring in investment, because it is with investment and industrial growth and economic growth that jobs are created. So while we bring in investment from outside, yes, we need to protect our people, we need to protect our environment. There are measures for it. There are procedures for it. And that's what we should stick to and follow.